Let's learn how you can create 2024 trend like this using only CapCut and TikTok. Don't worry about this 2023 text because we can edit this template later on CapCut. So let us start by opening our TikTok application. It is the video I show you at the beginning. Just click on CapCut, try this template button and click use template red button. Now it will open up TikTok. Just click on use template blue button. And here you will have to select 105 images. I will use one random image just to show you the example how you can do this. When you're done with everything, click on next, and as you can see here will appear our video preview. You can see the numbers raising, and when you're done editing, if you want to edit it, just click on text. Select this thank you 2023, click, and you can change here from 2023 to 2024. As you can see here, you will see it a little better if you make it bigger. As you can see, it's now 2024. Just click on back and our video is finished, as you can see. When you're done, click on export. You can choose if you want to export on TikTok or save to device. I will save to device, and video now is exporting. And it's ready to share. When you're done, just click on done and you're finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.